We're about 7.5 acres here. You know, we get cars in on a daily basis, anywhere from 75 to 100 cars a month. You can pull a bunch of parts a day, really. You know, I have my dismantlers that will dismantle and pull anywhere from 20 to 40 parts off the vehicle that day. And then I have my parts pullers that will pull anywhere from 30 to 50 parts a day, depending on the part puller. And it's just, you got to be able to get that done in a timely manner, because if you tell your customer that part's going to be there tomorrow, it better be there tomorrow.
I go home tired every day. We go out there and it's, you know, sweat and, you know, hard work. I mean, there's certain parts that take longer than they should. And it's just a lot of, you know, just a lot of labor. I mean, there's, like I said, quarter panel cuts, rocker cuts, radiator support cuts. I mean, we're constantly using blades. We use Diablo blades. I mean, we try to use the best blades to get the job done quicker so we can get it to the customer.
The best tip I can give anybody is don't buy a cheap blade. You know, get on Sawblade.com and order really good blades, because, you know, they have the best. They have the Diablos, and we live in a now environment. You know, we need everything now. We can't wait. And that's the beautiful part. You go on, you type in what you need. You know, we even have it bookmarked now to the page of the blades that we want. So we get on there and we click and it ships, and you get it within a couple of days. And so it's just, it really helps you stay on top of your inventory with your blades, and, you know, with everything else we have going on here. The last thing we need is a hiccup, you know, where we can't get orders to our customers who are waiting to get cars fixed. We need to be greener, we need to recycle more. And so the ability to be able to recycle a vehicle almost to its entirety, instead of a car going and sitting in the field and rusting out for 30 years, you know, we buy the cars, we recycle the oil, we recycle the antifreeze, so there's no waste there. You know, that's really the reward I get, is really truly being able to help other people, but also being able to help the generations behind me by recycling vehicles and making sure it's done the proper way. And that's what we got going here, and that's what I look forward to, is just being able to help other people.